Introduced about a year ago, the Range Rover Velar has already fueled the imagination of a few tuners willing to give the stylish SUV an even more eye-catching exterior appearance. We've seen aftermarket projects from companies such as Llama Design and Urban Automotive, and now it's Startech turn to show how it can customize the posh coupe SUV. The first order of business, a wide body kit. Of course, there are a total of 16 new custom body bits and pieces, including the beefier wheel arches, adding a total of 60 mm to the width of the vehicle. This has freed up space for the tuner 22-inch alloy wheels featuring a 5 double-spoke design with a black finish and a fancy hub cover, giving the illusion the wheels are of the center lock type. Continental was in charge of wrapping those king-sized wheels, as the tuner calls them, in chunky 295/35 R22 tires. Startech has also installed its own tailpipe finishers linked to the actual exhaust system, but the sound you'll be hearing inside the cabin won't be entirely generated by the Velar engine, whichever that may be. The reason for that is because the tuner has created an electronic sound generator mimicking the noise generated by a gasoline-fed V8 engine. Customers can have it regardless of the SUV engine, so you can drive a diesel-powered Velar providing the sound of a gasoline V8 that thrills driver, passengers and outside world alike without being annoyingly loud. Rounding off the changes on the outside is a lowering kit tailored to the Velar models, fitted with the air suspension. In the lowest setting, the SUV is brought closer to the road by 30 mm, which not only makes it look better, but Startech says it also boosts handling as a result of a lower center of gravity. Images of the interior have not been provided, though the tuner mentions it has quite a few accessories to offer, such as scuff plates with an illuminated Startech logo, an aluminum pedal plus footrest set, numerous leather and Alcantara upholsteries, as well as wood and carbon trims. We will get to see the Range Rover Velar by Startech next week at the 88th Geneva Motor Show.